Hello guys, and welcome on programs overview of Oven Beko 500 series. So this is a top and bottom heating. This is a top and bottom heating with fan, and this is a top and bottom heating with the 3D function. This one is a fan heating. This is a pizza function. This one is a low grill function. This is a full grill function. This is a grill assistant with fan. This is a top and fan heating. This is a fan echo heating. This is a bottom heating. There we have a defrost heating. The next one is a keep warm function. This is easy steam cleaning. This is easy steam cleaning with the eco mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.